In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts and companies in Salesflare. Let's make sure you can quickly capture people and the businesses they work for, and link them together so your pipeline stays tidy. Salesflare often auto-creates contacts from your email sync, but it's important to know how to add them manually and how to connect them to the right accounts. First, let's add a contact using the orange plus button. Head to Contacts in the left-hand menu. Look for the orange plus button, usually at the bottom right, and choose Create Contact. Fill in the essentials: name, email, phone number, and job title. Then save. That's it. You've created a contact you can later link to companies and opportunities. A quick tip before you create: run a quick search to avoid duplicates. Also, consistent formatting for phone numbers and standardized job titles will make your list easier to filter and report on. You can also add a contact from an existing company record. Go to Accounts, open the company you want, and under the Contacts section, click Manage. Start typing the person's name. If they already exist, select them and save. If they don't, click the plus in the search results to create a new contact that's automatically linked to this company. Adding from the account view keeps relationships clean and ensures activity timelines roll up to the right place. Now, let's add a company, also called an account. From the navigation, open Accounts, click the orange plus button and select Create Account. Enter the company name, and if you have it, add the website. Including the website helps Salesflare pull in public details like address and phone, which saves time. Review what gets autofilled and then save the account. You can also create a company while viewing a contact. Open the contact's record and look for an option like Create Account. Salesflare will use the contact's company information to help you set up the account. Confirm the details and save. This is perfect when you have the person first and the company second. Finally, take advantage of suggested accounts. Go to Accounts and then Suggestions to see companies Salesflare detects from your email interactions. Click the checkmark on any suggestion you want to add to your CRM. It's a fast way to build out your account list. Just give suggestions a quick review to prevent duplicates. That's all you need to confidently add contacts and companies in Salesflare and link them together for a clear, connected CRM.